Hi guys, so my name is Bernice and today I'm going to talk about our e-commerce site and later on my partners will discuss other parts of our site. So before that, this video was created for academic purposes as a partial requirement for Office Pro course under Professor J.J. Saleh of College of St. Camille. So anyways, our chosen province is actually Sariaya, Quezon, and the reason for choosing this is because my grandma is from there and she grew up there as a kid. Anyways, Sariaya is known to be a first-class municipality in Quezon, and actually, it is the heritage town of Quezon, and it's an Art Deco capital of Southern Luzon. So now I'm going to show you how to navigate through. So as you can see here, there's a slideshow on your homepage, and it features four of the main attractions in Sariaya. So when you click on each photo, you can see basic information about this, and to click the next one, just click the photo and then to choose the next picture, and it also tell you facts about that specific place. So the ones featured here are one of the ancestral houses, the Lapasigan Beach Resort, Mount Banahaw, of course, and the church, which is the St. Francis of Assisi Church. So now let's go to the about. And this one, it shows you the history of, a brief history of Quezon. And this is a page for festivities. Actually, they only have like one festivity, which is the Agawan Festival. And basically, it just tells you what it's about and when they celebrate it. Yeah, and next one is destinations. So, which are Mount Banahaw, colonial houses, the Nilampasigan Beaches Resort, and yeah. So now my partner will tell you more about our website.
Hey, it's Mark here, and today I'm gonna talk about the services and the products that are offered in Sariaya, Quezon. So the first one is the hiking trip on Mount Banahaw, which is gonna be around 350 pesos to 500. Here, you can take the beautiful scenery here in Mount Banahaw with and take a hike within doing. So the next one is a local tour of the old house here in Sariaya, Quezon, which is gonna be around 500 pesos. The tour will give people more knowledge about the history of these houses, and that they will also get to see how the houses were built and how they were renovated. Then the next one is the Dalampasigan Beach and Resort, wherein rooms starts at 5,600 and up, and it offers spacious rooms and locations for guests. For more rates of the room, please visit their website at dalampasigan.net. Then the last one is a favorite of the local Filipinos is the lambanog, which is a classic Filipino beverage which is made from coconuts. So with that being said, you can contact us as ksariaya@gmail.com, or you can text us at 0917-833-0632. Here is our contact in case you haven't got the message. Or so with that being said, thank you for checking out our website, And these are just some of the products that we have as of the moment. And well, thank you again.